welcome back, Pallet Kings, box number 2.
The deuce.
The deuce.
We're doing the deuce
Hold
here,
on,
folks.
hold on. Why is this tequila glass empty?
Oh,
Cabo Wabo shot.
Cabo Wabo shot. Here we go. Just a little. You'll do just fine on your stress test tomorrow, boy.
Holy cow.
Come on, you didn't want a lot, right?
Alright, and now back to business.
Get this bad boy open.
We're gonna make our money right here.
Honey, if you're watching this, I don't have that appointment tomorrow.
Oh, I see why it's heavy now.
There's a DVD wall mount right on top. Stack all your DVDs right here.
Yeah?
Nobody uses those anymore.
Might as well put it in a USB.
We have some DVD players.
Yeah.
You got some,
anyway?
you got whiteboard wipes.
Hey, we
You can wipe off all your, oh, you actually
do have whiteboard.
do have a whiteboard.
Don't eat it. Remember, I have to have a safety knife.
Yeah, basketball scorebooks.
Season
Track
was-
of your team.
They canceled it.
Yeah, they can't. Thank you. More kilo, yeah, this is like a mini.
This has to be way more fun than a baseball score.
What is that, USB
Oh, it's a
micro or something like that?
micro mini, one of the little things.
Yeah.
Oh, that's actually a weird one.
This might be for like a camera.
Yeah, it's like for a camera or something.
Oh yeah, it says for a Kodak U8 USB cable.
You know what pitbulls?
Kodak. Right with the Kodak.
More toner cartridges
Oh
for
my gosh.
y'all.
Oh, those draft ones, okay.
Yeah,
They look like HP ones.
I've since.
this has been also opened and returned.
I can see if they're still, maybe they're on open side.
Good.
Good.
Got a box that's falling apart here. The service pack
From HP.
Service Pack
it
6.8.
is from HP.
Is it really?
No,
Doesn't look like it.
but it is a board.
Oh, the power board for a.
It's like something honey would use.
Oh my God, people, really, you're killing me, man.
Oh, it's a Samsung PCB sub-inverter board.
There you go.
All toners are open. Oh yeah, why wouldn't
It's
it
a
be?
inverter board.
Untested, but I'm sure it works.
The inverter board? Yeah, it looks brand new actually.
Well,
Oh wow.
very nice. Actually, I lost my DMD board one time on my TV. And,
You know what that's for?
for
That is,
TV.
that's for Samsung refrigerator.
Oh.
So yeah, that actually might be.
Wait, was I wrong? The one with the TV?
The one with the
The Samsung with the TV and your
It looks
refrigerator.
like even the open box ones are going for $70, $75.
All right. Well, thank you, Pallet Source. 'Cause,
Yeah, that helps pay for our package there.
yeah, this actually looks like amazing to me. There's no burn. There's nothing
The
burnt.
caps don't look, the PCB looks
Somebody
good.
probably bought it, got the wrong one.
Wrong one, yeah.
Yeah, that's beautiful.
That's
The
a good one.
one.
That's the keeper.
That's a keeper.
Who needs it?
Oh, 8 man.
Put it in the box.
I gotta listen, Barry. You did remember. You did mention something about the box being off.
Yeah, it was very haggard. I have no idea what this is.
Something retractable?
Tiny. Oh. Lightning cable. Oh, these are actually super useful.
Oh yeah.
The ones that
3.5.
go into your headphones? Yeah. So you can actually have a real set of headphones and you don't have to have
Something.
Oh, that's maybe a drone lens kit or something. No.
Oh, that's a big.
Yeah. Looks super cool.
If you know what it is, let us know.
Yeah. Put it down in the comments.
Yeah, if you're interested.
Ooh. I don't know what
What
this is.
language?
I don't know. I don't know what this is.
There's
Not sauce, the raw, a la con, and the a party live in concert.
I don't
Live
think
in concert.
I'll be putting that in my DVD player.
Yeah, I don't know what that is. But it's live in concert. Ooh, we do have maybe some good stuff in this one.
Might get rid of it there.
Got a case.
Oh, the DVD's in there, so if you're interested.
This rot's about there. They come.
Slightly used. Looks like somebody dropped it and kicked it across the parking lot.
Oh my god. Open it up like this. It looks like a chipmunk got to it.
No, I'm telling you, somebody had their phone in here. They dropped it
You know,
and kicked it
I know we just started doing
all
this,
the way across the parking lot.
but people never fail to.
Look at that. That is amazing.
Yeah, that's it for me.
Yeah. That was stupid phone and booted it and off it went. Turn the barrel. Good. Turn the barrel. Oh yeah, you do have a turn the barrel. Speaking of truck the barrel. Love this fight, man. Pretty good. Some of the best beer I've ever had. Alright. Amazon Basics. What do you got? Says nothing on the back.
Mystery basic box.
Mystery Basic.
There's people cover.
They are batteries.
Yes, been begging for these.
Rechargeable batteries.
Well, not so much a rechargeable.
These are not rechargeable?
No, I mean I don't.
regular battery.
Yeah, I can't find my recharger.
Are there some everyday batteries?
Huh? Oh, I can hear you. What's that?
They even put in a cold receipt with it.
Oh, no, Kohl's takes the returns
Oh, okay. Well,
for Amazon now. You just bring it in there and throw it on the counter.
Oh, yeah. And we got heavy tips on the channel. How about that?
if you ever need to return them, they can control it.
Speaking of tips, we're gonna have some tips coming up about the Nazi drone on what to do when they come at you without the card, as they most likely will if you purchase them on the secondary market. We have a way to format them to work in your drone, so don't worry, we're gonna come up with that one real soon.
Thank you, Michael. Yes.
That's a fish aquarium, huh?
Is that what that is?
I have no idea.
It probably is. It kind of looks like for your fish aquarium. It does look like a pump, does it not?
Does it have a little...
Yeah, it's got little tubes in it.
Oh, yeah, that's a little loud. Oh, no, such a good one back.
Yep.
Feed your fish.
Oh, yeah.
Oh. It is
Oh,
heavily melted though.
I have a little bit of heat problem. We're going to go ahead and pass
A
that
little
one
bit
to
of
the trash.
overheating.
inside the water.
Yeah, that one was outside. The tube's still inside.
Oh. Oh yeah. No, that's probably how this happened.
Nemo did not do well.
They blocked the filter and overheated it. That's how Nemo got out.
Actually, it looks like it'd be pretty nice because they got a temperature selector.
Shark
on
bait.
them.
Oh, look, another one of those little mini. Oh, wait, no, I take that back. Designed for a Kindle. Little tiny.
It looks pretty.
Oh, and that's what that other one's for.
Yeah.
Little Kindle paperwhite or something.
I do like the Japanese cherry blossoms. It's very pretty.
We had a cherry blossom tree on my work. We had to send security out because they blocked traffic taking pictures of it a couple
Oh,
times later.
oh,
Yeah,
yeah.
it's amazing.
For a cherry blossom tree?
Yeah, it's only bloom
Once a
twice
year?
a year, once or twice a year. That's probably what the other case was. Another Kindle.
Mini, like old school Nintendo controller in a mini Game Boy. Game Boy Mini.
I'm gonna go on a limb and say it's a knockoff.
Yeah.
I'm just going, yeah. I'll concur on that.
Definitely does not say Game Boy or anything.
The case actually looks like it was 3D printed from somebody I know.
That's a...
This is a handmade.
That's a Nintendo
want to
game
be.
child.
Nintendo.
Nintendo.
A Nintendo.
Nintendo.
I'm gonna take it out of there.
Yeah, take it out.
Well,
Let's see.
let's
Have at it.
Nintendo it up. Where would you even put a cartridge?
It's probably built in. Probably got a bunch of games built into it. Oh, it has a
Rechargeable.
800 milliamp hour rechargeable battery.
Oh my gosh.
So you need a USB
Charging unit.
AD cable.
Which it has.
Oh, I didn't have it. Get it charged up.
Look at this. This is
Charge it up and let's play the game.
not nice feedback on this controller. too.
Sweet. Alright, you're cut off the computer now.
Alright, next item up. Ooh, a digital projector.
Oh, that's A-Man. That's the same company that I stole the dash cam from my car.
Yeah.
In the last box.
One of the bigger
It's
ones.
a little Pico. Those,
Yeah.
those are actually pretty cool. I use one in the RV. And it actually turns out pretty well.
What do I need? Do I need that? I can watch movies.
You don't not need it.
Good for backyards too, I bet.
Well, I got
Watch
one for
it,
you. I got
Pretty sure that would not work in your backyard.
not with a full moon or.
Yeah, we can try.
It's pretty nice.
It is actually nice.
It's nice, sleek looking, little curl.
Is it 8-man M4?
Yeah, M4.
Yeah, let's do a little check here. Filter.
Wow, this thing's got some weight to it too.
Yeah, still got the plastic cover on it.
Actually, look.
But I have some electronics at home that are like 4 or 5 years old.
There's some open box ones, you know, 120, 100.
Yeah, it has a Texas Instrument chip on it.
Yeah, it's actually a decent
Yeah.
little projector. I was excited.
Got all the cables and stuff
This
too.
is probably getting close to the
Break
what we
even
pay for
order.
the pallet, so.
Yeah.
I feel we're gonna go over.
Yeah,
I think we're
gonna do alright on this one.
These boxes feel full. I would have no reason to believe this stuff's not in here. But as
Yeah, we'll
always,
check it
We'll
out
double
before
check
it
it all out and poster up. Everything you see here is for sale.
including the Mustang, for the right price.
1966 with a V8. Only way to go when you buy
Tony
one.
interior.
Ah, you got another binder.
Oh, see, I've been waiting for one of those.
Binder.
why don't I get some I want, like those manila folders?
Oh, yeah. Don't worry. We got something coming up for you, baby. Ooh, yeah. It's a handheld microphone.
Not another one.
Handheld mic.
Oh, you can use
Little
that
built-in
LED.
LED. Looks like it's seen a little better days.
I did one of these at a
A
bar.
couple dents, but you know,
That's
still
the,
pink and shiny.
this is the Britney Spears edition.
Oh,
Hit me,
the
baby,
foot
one more
brake.
time.
It's a foot brake edition.
All right.
Yeah, no.
It's pretty little.
Seal?
It
Oh,
is-
wait, wait, it has a remix button.
Remix.
This is actually,
It's new. It's just got that dent in it.
you know, this thing's actually funny because it has a USB port, a memory card, it has a aux plug, and a micro and mini S USB.
Oh, microphone.
Store it to my daughter, give it to my 8-month-old granddaughter.
Yeah, there you go. Mic check. Epson.
Oh,
It's actually
brand new.
there. Not open by the looks of it.
No super glue.
Yeah.
Wow.
Actually looks good.
Is that the 4-color one?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a 212.
Yeah, look, I mean, it's only going like $29, but still, it's money towards the.
Yeah.
What model is this for?
That is.
For
For
7710?
the workforce
7710?
No.
7720?
4100, 4105, 2830, and 2850.
Truly available.
Obviously,
All right.
does not fit his printer.
See what we got here. Where do you want to go? You want to go big? Small?
Get rid of this guy. What is this guy?
This is
Oh, another toner. Oh, drum kit, actually.
Oh, that may actually be two-piece drum kit.
Is she steel?
Hey,
Let's see.
it is sealed.
I don't believe you. Shrink wrap.
wow.
Oh, that's a brand new drum kit.
Original shrink wrap.
All right. Oh, he's getting the phone out.
Not the work phone.
Ooh.
VR. Oh, it's the Dr. 420 edition.
The men.
Only legal in some states.
Easy link. This is one of them.
That's what you gotta do with every day. I see another night.
Another night hawk.
Yeah.
VR.
Same exact model, actually.
Oh, there you go.
Another 1750 Wi-Fi router.
Guys, extend your Wi-Fi. Come on.
You know you want to.
Yeah, brand new.
That's all your gaming needs. It's got a 4-port switch built in too.
Yep. This thing's ripped.
Oh, it's got a 4-port switch?
Yeah, built in.
Oh man, mine only has the one.
Yeah.
Well, what you gonna do on that one if you want it?
My new modem.
No, make somebody else happy.
Okay.
No, mine works fine. Every time I just gotta go print something, I gotta pull the cable.
Whenever we're doing press conferences, we are set up now.
Multi-mic holder.
Oh, that's for that one dude that touched the ball.
Yeah.
Like, oh, not scared.
Well, this is a good one. This is the Nighthawk. This is the really good one here.
Yeah, that's the same as the other model. They're both the exact same
Oh,
model.
really?
Yep.
That might be good. I think we're getting our money back.
Yeah.
Make a little profit on those guys.
This is so you can have multiple mics for rock band.
Yeah. Maybe we'll do some videos of that one of these days.
Alright, got another little
Actually, this
cable.
is good for people that love their own mic.
Yeah.
These are weird.
What is it?
So it goes from the large Apple cable, so you can plug it into a
14
lightning.
pin?
Yeah, like
Awesome.
Oh, the old
the
school.
lightning. Yeah, it's like a converter.
Adapter, so you can use like an old iPod or something on a new system.
Yeah, like my old
Oh,
iPad 2.
Oh, nice.
So,
So,
Wait. My, oh. Woo!
woo, almost lost this tequila. Oh yeah.
And the mine's gone. I don't have much left to lose, so.
Getting low myself. At a simple 15%. Another case, looks like. Open this one up, see if it's been kicked across the parking lot.
Oh, he looks
No,
good.
no, looks new. Thanks for being awesome.
Thank you.
Thanks for being awesome.
I guess that person
All
who
of
bought it originally didn't really care for being awesome.
Yeah.
Rose gold.
Yep.
It is rose gold.
Oh, looks nice.
Yeah. There you go, folks.
What phone is that for? Oh, it's for a Android? Or iPhone X, maybe? Something without a button.
Yeah.
I can't believe I wouldn't buy the X because it didn't have a button that really doesn't work.
Yeah.
Well, the one even on your 8 really doesn't work.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I can't believe that stopped me from getting the X or the 10 or whatever.
No, it doesn't really say.
Little snap
Oh, it's
together.
definitely a Samsung-ish model.
Oh,
The
does look like
yeah.
That's 7 maybe?
Let's say everything else.
Oh, yeah.
Well, we'll find out. Close to break.
We know some of you guys got that stuff.
You want that pretty rose gold the other manufacturer made. Not gonna name names.
Do a health update, I think.
Alright, getting into some good stuff here.
Yeah.
Little guys, there we go.
I peeked over your shoulder.
64 gig.
Geekish?
Oh, who needs that?
Yeah,
Yeah, we're just talking about that
What are you
again.
talking about?
SD cards.
All right.
These are always good.
Why couldn't we open this up before we start shooting video?
Yeah.
Yeah, gonna put the whole thing on there.
Oh, this one supports FAT32.
Oh, perfect. See?
Oh,
That's-
Jesus. What
25 seconds.
am I looking at?
And
Good.
we're going to continue right after this announcement.
After this message.
Look at this.
And we're back. And we're back.
What is that guy?
Oh, this thing came with the octopus of connector
Look
cables.
at that. Is this These are, you know
Green
what
Bay.
this is? They are Green Bay earrings.
Those are Bishop Gorman earrings.
These are not Bishop Gorman earrings. They are Green Bay because they are actually green.
Okay, actually,
white.
my
These
ignorance, when I
For
moved
all
here,
your Green Bay Packer fans out there, we got
Those
some
are
Green
straight
Bay
from Clay
earrings.
Matthews' ears.
That is not from his ears, but they are Green Bay earrings.
well, my ignorance here when I first moved here,
He doesn't even play for Green Bay anymore.
Oh, okay.
I thought that was Georgia Tech or Green Bay.
What else
Oh,
we
you know
got
what,
here?
guys? No card in this thing.
Oh no, micro SD.
Oh, no micro SD?
They tricked us.
No. Actually, this was the reader. The company selling it was giving a free gift of a 64 gig unbranded card that suspiciously looks like a SanDisk,
It does look like a standard.
Yeah, but it's not actually in there.
but somebody used Photoshop and sticky finger. So I gotta catch up. What you talk about last time? Clay Matthews? What?
Yeah. Green Bay earrings.
Pitch Perfect?
For
Clay
all
Matthews?
of your,
That's perfect.
for all you Chicago fans.
Wait, why are we getting jewelry?
I don't know.
That is
There
not
is-
technology.
There's jewelry in the,
That's a
Oh,
no ring.
that's an Apple Watch. Nose ring. That's
Yeah,
a nose ring
it is
for
a-
somebody that has an
it is
Apple
a
Watch.
It is a watch wristband.
Yeah, it looks like the 44 millimeter Apple Watch band.
This is the Rain Man of Apple Watches, so.
Diamond encrusted.
I just trust it.
I mean,
No carat diamond encrusted. I guarantee there are no diamonds.
what does it have a lizer in the name? What does this do that it actually has to have a verb as a name? Wearlizer.
Wearlizer. Trying to figure out what this is. Got customer service.
Actually, you guys, mind if I rock this tomorrow?
Oh yeah. Put it on with them.
Goten after sales service.
To watch something.
Compatible with. Yeah, it looks like for a watch, like for the Apple Watch cover or something like that. Does that not look like an Apple Watch cover?
Yes, it does.
Check the screen on
Yeah,
it.
it's 40 millimeter screen cover, yeah?
Yeah, for your Apple Watch.
Sorry guys, if you're buying from us, we do not include this aftercare service. What is it?
About to find out.
Is it open? Oh yeah, it's open. It's not sealed.
Yeah. There you go.
Yeah, it's a 40 millimeter Apple Watch
cover.
cover here. There's a hole for the dial. You know, I never put that red dot of vinyl on mine to confess that it was a moment SIM card. No, seriously, I haven't. I'll show you.
Speaking of vinyl, we got some vinyl in here.
I knew it.
You knew there was vinyl.
So happy it wasn't a
You
real
can
tape.
smell it.
Feel it. Leon Bridges coming
He's
home.
coming home. I don't think your daughter's gonna want that one.
No, I don't know.
Hey, I got put the ribbon on there though.
It is. Twisted and grooved.
Oh, they covered the bar. Did they cover the bar?
In the back.
Yeah, that's up there.
Yeah.
And we're off.
Leon Bridges, twisted and grooved. Here you go, sir.
Yeah, be that.
You got one more record in here.
We got one brand new for
Wayne.
$50 free shipping.
Shorter.
I do have to say, Leon Bridges is hitting pretty good on Spotify right now. That song River on there is 164 million listens.
Wow.
So,
That's pretty good.
Was that Wayne Shorter?
We got Wayne Shorter. Unbelievable.
in stereo.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Speak no evil.
Speak no evil.
No evil. Oh, let's see what this is here.
Well, it's actually a used one right now. It's actually selling with 13 bids for $26.
Wow.
Rhino tuning. It's a couple magnets.
Not sure. Oh, that's for tuning something.
Yeah.
Right?
There's Rhino tuning.
Yeah.
What are they?
What are they
What are they
tuning?
tuned?
I don't know. And a couple magnets. We got rhino tuning and magnets. Got one more thing down here. We got a pen type machine cover.
I'm not sure what that is.
Sure what that is. Blocking cover, what it actually says.
Is that maybe for Dawn cover?
Maybe.
No better.
Looks like it's never been open. Got a little skull on it.
Yeah, those small.
Single use only.
Single use only.
That's kind of scary.
I have to look that one up.
For a hawk or any. Put the sticker right over
Any
it.
flying animals?
Or any pen. Pen type machine cover.
Single use.
I don't know what a pen type machine cover is.
Oh, for tattoo machine.
Oh, hello. Yeah, it's not.
Yeah.
Doesn't look like it's been opened. If it has, they did a hell of a
Yeah,
job
that little
sealing it back up.
plastic covers, like finger cups for tattoo machine.
Finger condoms for tattoos.
200 quantity. So yeah, it looks like it's sealed now.
200 feet.
Look at that, that makes sense as single use, but there's 200 of them.
Yeah. Well, you gotta make sure you gotta clean one every time.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
So we got
All right,
couple things left.
here we go.
Oh, wait, hold on a minute.
Looking it up.
That has to
Oh,
do
you
with
looked
wheels.
at it.
Yeah, wheels. Something to do with wheels.
Wheels for what though? The rhino thing?
Yeah, the Rhino team. Something to do with wheels. There's a wheel brand.
Wheel cover?
Center cap. It's like a aftermarket wheel company maybe. Rhino team.
Have to research that one a little more to find out. Like a center cap on one?
Yeah, I don't know. It's probably worth like 20 cents. Sorry, wasting everybody's time.
Yeah. We're looking it up. Ooh.
Did you save some good stuff?
I did. I actually did. We had a Twin Trucks all-day comfort.
Oh, is that a, can I use that at work?
Yeah. Got a mic. Again, for all your gaming needs.
It eliminates 99.6% of something.
Try our free apps on the Apple Store and Google Play. Wireless works with the,
Cross-platform.
with multiple devices.
That's pretty nice. Board your 10-4 or one
Up to 24 hours of talk time, it says.
You know what? That's probably for truck drivers.
40
Okay,
days
for,
of standby.
Yeah, it's gonna be a truck
Water
driver.
resistant.
Guys, when you're not in a Flying J, head over to
Eliminates 99.6% transmission noise.
manual
Take a
transmission.
gander at these.
Manual transmission on a diesel. Oh, it looks beautiful, brand new, possibly.
Yeah, looks like somebody opened it. It was like, yeah, this isn't gonna work for me. We even got the cord. Still got the mic cover. And even
Oh wow, yeah.
never even used.
That's a brand new one.
Never used.
2-4, good buddy.
Nice little headset. Alright.
There's an open box one on eBay, $70.
$30? Nice.
Not bad. Yeah,
No,
built
I-
for truckers.
Yeah, I see
Yeah,
them. I
same.
actually see when I'm gassing up sometimes.
Oh, with their headsets on?
Yeah, yeah, it's one of the store with the headsets on.
Oh, nice.
Very cool.
Super cool. Gonna.
Or since work never buys a headset
Yeah,
for
I'm
you.
gonna use that.
Yeah. Noise canceling wireless
Oh,
headphones.
Bowers and Wilkins.
Oh,
and Wilkins.
please make those be in there.
Yeah, let them be
Please.
in there and in decent shape.
Oh, man.
Slowly then. Alright.
Stop
There
it!
we go.
We're open.
Oh, got the little case case and everything.
That's
with it.
like the case.
They're in there.
Oh man, those look amazing from here.
Yeah, look at it.
Those look absolutely amazing.
Oh man, did anybody even use these?
That does not look like it. Those look.
Oh,
Those
weird.
are
Why
amazing.
would you buy something this nice and you're like,
Let's see a couple digits.
Yeah, like 265 is the cheapest pre-owned one up right now.
wow.
You know, it's kind of a weird spot to sell this stuff. I mean, is it pre-owned or is it used? Is it refurbished? I don't know. Maybe you guys can help us out here because,
Slightly used?
yeah, I mean, we don't try to sell anything that's new, that's open, of course, but where do you,
Where you draw the line?
yeah.
Yeah, we'll test them out.
Like,
Make sure they're working.
Obviously, these weren't used. Every the cable are still tied up.
No, I mean, they look like they do with the
Somebody
picture
could,
of the
somebody could still swap the headphones out in the original, you know, find another box, swap the headphones out,
Right.
send it back.
Yeah.
We'll try them out, make sure they work first.
We test everything first.
We need 100% customer
Yeah, we don't want
satisfaction.
happy people. That's a slick one there.
That's a good one.
That almost pays for the pallet itself.
Yeah, right there. Right. But we
You know
got.
what? Actually, this is the time for the Christmas returns. I
Oh,
was looking
so,
at
yeah.
one of the items from our last unboxing, and it actually had a 12-24 date on it.
Oh wow. Sure enough.
So I think we're into that zone where
They got the.
we might
you
get
know,
this
this one?
stuff. No, this one didn't. This one doesn't have it. Yeah, the other one had an extra tag on it that had the actual 12-24-19.
Oh wow.
So we're getting there,
Yeah.
which is great news for everybody.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Last thing, we got a pair of Sony noise canceling headphones. Wireless.
These are actually the little brother or sister of the
The other pair?
1000s. Yeah.
Yeah, the other pair we had.
Which you guys probably seen here and there on some unboxing videos. They seem to land quite a different places.
Let's get into this guy.
Yeah, looks like those ones are only 30 bucks, so.
$30 or so. Oh yeah, the packaging shows way different too. Yeah, absolutely. But I mean,
Yeah, it still looks
Yeah.
decent, yeah.
Yeah.
and there's Sony's, so
Still got all the headphone cords.
yeah, I'd pay $30 for Sony every day before an off-brand.
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah.
No, they look like they're
Yeah,
built
headphones.
good on.
The earpieces look brand new too. So,
Yeah, those nice big earpieces too. Fit comfortably over your ears. Even as I'm getting older, my ears are getting bigger.
We'll do alright, probably a little over double our money.
Yeah, absolutely. I think over, yeah.
Oh yeah.
You know, we got some real winners. The headphones, all were winners. The Pico,
First box was a little light.
Yeah.
that was probably like a freebie. They were like,
Yeah.
let's toss
Oh,
them in
they
the
throw
box.
in a second box. Get rid of some folders.
We don't want to pay to have to throw these out. That's pretty much what somebody said.
Yeah. Exactly what somebody said. Sony,
Sony's awesome.
those other ones quite nice. Gotta admit.
Yeah,
Bauer and Wilkins is here.
Yeah, that's the nicest pair. So
These are
this is what the third Sony's we got. Everybody's been happy with them
these
so
are
far.
super nice. I was looking at those. Really are nice. Got some great features.
We'll go team DPK.
Yep. That's
That's it.
That's it. Empty box. One.
Empty glass.
A soul.
Not quite. Hold on.
And
Hold on, empty those glasses. And we are clear.